Hi there, my name is Caitlin Deshane. I've been playing the flute since I was 11 years old when I joined my school band, and I've also been an elementary music teacher for the last 10 years. So I'm here today as part of my beginning flute playing series to show you how to clean your instrument. And it's important that you clean it every time you finish playing. This prevents any kind of gross buildup inside the head joint and the flute that could adversely affect the quality of your sound and also wear down the padding that is under every single key. Moisture is not good for those. They will break down. So cleaning is important. So when you rented or purchased your flute, it came with a cleaning rod. And basically, this is like a large version of a sewing needle. We're going to take our cleaning cloth and thread the corner through the eye of the needle. And I just pull a little bit through. And I'm also going to wrap the fabric of the cloth over the top. This just cushions the cleaning rod when you're putting it through the flute. So now it's time to disassemble the flute. Just like when I put the foot joint on, I'm not gripping the keys in the mechanism. I'm holding the flute at the end, so I'm not going to accidentally bend or break the keys. It's just a gentle twist. Then I take my cleaning rod, making sure the fabric is over the top, so I'm not going to scratch the inside of the flute. And I simply push it through, give it a twist, 1, 2, 3, and out the other side. Foot joint done. Now for the body of the flute. You'll notice when I'm twisting, I'm gripping in between the head joint and the body, just so I don't accidentally drop the head joint. And I do have to grip a little bit over the keys at the bottom here. I am making sure not to squeeze too hard and not to twist the keys. Being very gentle, yet firm. Okay, same thing, cleaning rod. Push it through to the other side. Body done. Now for the head joint. This is where most of the moisture is going to be, so I am very careful when I clean my head joint. Cleaning rod, and twist. Double check to make sure there's no moisture inside. Nope, it's good. Head joint done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.